and welcome to Vicky's World. Today we are cooking a quinoa and then we're going to do a salad with quinoa. Now what is quinoa? Quinoa is a grain which is also called a super grain now, which comes actually from South America. However, it has made its way all over the world now and very popular in India too. Now you can do a lot of things with quinoa, Q-U-I-N-O-A, but pronounced quinoa. Okay, that's a South American name for it. Now it's very important that you have to take the quinoa and you have to rinse it. Okay, now because the quinoa has a certain kind of natural chemical which is found on it and it makes it bitter after you cook it. So you have to make sure that you have to give your quinoa a nice rinse. Okay, now after you rinse the quinoa, you have to bring it to a boil with about 1 part of quinoa to almost 1 to 1.5 cups of water. Okay, so literally it's not double but slightly less than that. So here I've got a cup of water which I'm putting into this pan, and I've got about almost half or little more than half cup of quinoa with me. So now what we're going to do is we are going to literally scrape off the quinoa and bring it to a boil along with this water. Great. So I've got my quinoa and I've got my water here which I'm going to bring to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, what we have to do is cover a lid and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. The quinoa is cooked, and once there's a white germ which comes out of the quinoa, which actually means it's ready to eat. So then the quinoa is perfectly cooked. You have a nice white germ which is coming out of this, which means it is cooked. Definitely there's no bitter or any astringent taste because we had washed the quinoa, you remember that? And now this can go in any direction you like. I could cool it down and then toss it with any kind of salad ingredients. What I'm doing now is that while it's still warm, I'm transferring this into a bowl to which I'm going to be adding some black pepper, some salt, some green bell peppers, okay, some green bell peppers, nice beautiful tomatoes which I've cut into quarters, green cucumbers, and chopped spring onions into this, some lemon juice for some nice zing to our salad, and just about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now give this a nice mix, slowly fold it together. You could eat this straight away, or if you want to eat it like at room temperature or ice cold, be my guest. Brilliant. Let's get a little taste of the quinoa. Nice. A good crunch, good flavor, very healthy, and this is a great tiffin meal. If you want to carry it, you want to reheat it in the office, you want to eat it the next day, you've got plenty of choices. Now I'm just going to transfer it onto a plate and enjoy it. So my home style quinoa salad with cucumbers and cherry tomatoes with lemon and olive oil, just for you on Vicky's World. Enjoy!